Finding an ant nest indoors can really be a pain. We are BigHomeProjects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 effective ways to handle an ant infestation. Number 1. Follow the ant trail. Start by observing where the ants are coming from and going to. They leave pheromone trails that lead you straight to their nest, so grab a flashlight and take a closer look to identify their paths. Number 2. Seal cracks and crevices. Once you've tracked them down, it's time to seal up any entry points you find around your home. A little silicone caulk goes a long way in blocking off those sneaky entrances where ants might sneak in. Number 3. Use ant baits. These baits are super effective because they contain slow-acting pesticides that worker ants bring back to the nest. Just place them along the trails you've found, and with a bit of patience, you'll hit the whole colony, including the queen. Number 4. Try natural deterrents. Vinegar and cayenne pepper can be good options if you prefer not to use chemicals. Mixing vinegar with water and spraying it along their trails disrupts their navigation, while cayenne pepper's strong scent can send them packing. Number 5. Maintain cleanliness. Keeping your home clean is crucial in preventing ant infestations. Wiping down counters and storing food in airtight containers will help keep those pesky ants away from your kitchen. Number 6. Consider direct nest treatment. If you can access the nest directly, insecticidal dust like diatomaceous earth or boric acid can effectively eliminate ants upon contact. Just ensure you use gloves when applying these products for safety. Number 7. Ant-proof your home. Regularly check for new cracks or openings and address them quickly to prevent future infestations. By keeping your yard tidy and using barriers around your property, you can maintain a pest-free environment. For more tips on tackling ant problems effectively, visit our website. It's packed with resources to help you regain control of your home.